So right now I'm going to show you how to connect your controller to your phone via the app and Bluetooth. So first off, you need the Vicrez app. So download the Vicrez app, and as soon as you click on it, it should say scanning devices. And after that, it will pop up a list of devices that you can connect to. So first off, you need to go to your controller right here. You need to press the front and rear button at the same time for 2 seconds, and it'll pop up the settings screen right here. So once you're here, this is the number that you're looking for. The RID, which is Vicrez 212174, and then the one on the right, PW003013.
So I have this hole right here.
So on your phone, look for that RID number, and you want to click on it. As soon as you click on it, there's a prompt that says enter the password, and this is the password that you're going to enter, 003013. And once you type that in, it should connect.